Did you know that Google Maps now can tell you if the places you're going have a hearing loop system? That's great news for people with hearing loss. For those of you who don't know what a hearing loop system is, let me take a moment to explain. Maybe you've worn headphones at the theater or in museums or even at the movies so that you can hear the speaker better. Well, your hearing aids can connect to those systems wirelessly. All you need is a program called T-Coil. If you're unsure if your hearing aids have a T-Coil program, contact your audiologist. Now, let me show you how Google Maps can tell you if the place you're visiting has a hearing loop system. Go to Google and type in the place where you want to visit. Then go to their Google Maps listing. Underneath the photos, scroll over to About. Tap About and scroll down. You'll see assistive hearing loop if there is one there.